guys, welcome back to my channel. It's Erica. Recently I went to the grocery store and I was looking at the plant section because, you know, when you go to the grocery store you gotta look at the plant section, and I saw this plant that I was so excited about that I took out my camera and I started filming, which I will insert the footage here. So I came to Vaughn's to come buy a hot dog and I saw these plants and they're in a bag so that you can give it to your friend or something. It's $20. Okay, and then I was looking inside the bags and this one looks really cool. Oh, there's another one right here. This is so weird. I've never seen this before. Found it. Urban Air. This is a marble queen, but it has really cool variegation. I kind of want to buy it, but $20 is kind of expensive. Okay, I finished shopping. I'll be back because I might buy it. The $20 for Pothos is ridiculous. Hold on, let me open this. Okay, I took it out. I don't know why, but this variegation is just so crazy to me. Am I freaking out about nothing? Is this just a regular marble queen and I have not looked at one like close enough? Before we get into the video, don't forget to subscribe to my channel, like the video if you enjoy it. Yeah, I think that's about it. So let's jump right into the video. So yes, I bought the $20 Pothos and I have it right here. I know $20 Pothos is very, very overpriced and I'm pretty much paying for the packaging, but you know, it's kind of like a gift to myself, so I guess it's worth it. It is just a regular Marble Queen Pothos, and I realize now that the variegation was nothing to be super excited about to spend $20 on this plant, but look at it. It has some leaves that are jade green. You know what? I don't regret spending $20 on this Marble Queen Pothos that looks like every other Marble Queen Pothos, but I was not aware of that when I was at the store because I don't own a Marble Queen Pothos except for that one cutting that I have and that I showed you in a different video when I was potting it into dirt. But I don't regret it because, you know, if I'm willing to spend $20 on sushi, why can't I spend $20 on this plant that is gonna bring me happiness for a lifetime, hopefully a lifetime. So yeah, here it is. You know, it got me thinking, like, what other cool plants can I find at grocery stores? Because people, when you think of grocery store, you don't really think of cool plants. But I found this plant at a grocery store and I'm super excited about it. So I decided, you know, let's go to a bunch of grocery stores and see what cool plants I can find. So right now I'm at Vaughn's. Oh my gosh, I've been wanting one of these, but this one is $6, but it's already so big. I kind of want to buy this. This plant's called a chocolate soldier and it has really fuzzy leaves. We love fuzzy leaves. Sansevieria. How much are you? $30. Oh my gosh. That's so expensive. Aldia. Oh my gosh, there's Peperomias here. Well, it doesn't say the Peperomia. But I'm pretty sure this is Peperomia, right? Ooh. And then This is a Dracaena. Oh, look how big this is. Calathea. Oh my gosh, and it has some new leaves coming in. I've never seen this stuff at a grocery store. It's $25. Oh my gosh, a Monstera. With one split leaf. Oh, well this one has a little baby split. How much is this? Split leaf philodendron. Okay. Yes, you are. Oh my. Oh, there's another split leaf. How much is? Oh, it comes in this cute pink basket. $25. I'm gonna be honest and say that sounds pretty good. I wish that they have these African masks in a separate container. I would buy one. I feel like these are actually pretty healthy. Bromeliad for $24. Pothos. This one's already staked for $35. It's pretty big, but Pothos grow really fast, so I don't think even though I paid $20 for a Pothos, I think I would stop at like 20. This one's really big too. Oh, these are big mamas. Oh, and then if you ever wanted some Venus flytraps, they're only $6. Sounds good to me. More Pothos, and also has one little split leaf. They're probably the same price. $25. Okay, so right now I'm at Aldi's. I've never been here before or actually even heard of it, but I saw it on Yelp. So we're just gonna see what they got here. So these are the only plants that I see, which are $5.49 succulents or $2.49 succulents. Oh, this is the chocolate one that I just saw. Okay. So Aldi's was a complete bust, but at least we got to see 3 types of plants they had available. Okay, next stop. Right now I'm at a Ralph's, so we're gonna see what they have inside. I'm guessing that it's probably gonna be like a Vons, but with like different types of plants. They have so much ivy for $7.99. I kind of want to buy some of this ivy. This Dieffenbachia is $14.99. It's really pretty. It's got some new growth coming out. Here is a palm, 6-inch palm for $6.99. This is a 6-inch Dracaena for $7. That's pretty good, I think. Oh no, this is the one I just bought for $6.99, and I bought mine for. Mine is smaller though. They have these little terrariums here with marantas and spider plants. There's some shells inside, some ferns. That's what you're looking for. They also have these little ferns for $5.99, which are cute. Okay, so we just made it to Whole Foods, and I haven't been to Whole Foods in so long, so I have no idea if they have plants there. Seems like this is all they have. Free the Dracaenas. Seems like they also have aloe. So we just pulled up at Sprouts, and I saw some plants outside, so they're probably most definitely succulents, but still nice to see some succulents, even though I really just want to see houseplants. Okay, let's go check it out. A Madagascar monolith. But the only thing is that these rocks are glued down. Look at these cute little cacti. They're so adorable for $5.99. Some of these are for $5.99 also. Alright. So I think that will be all the grocery stores that we get to today. But overall, I think only Vaughn's and Ralph's are gonna be where you find some plantas. So out of the like 5 stores we went to, I got this Dieffenbachia from Ralph's. And it was $16.41 in total with tax. And then I think this is a red Ripple Peperomia, but I'm not really sure. And this one was $6.99. I thought there would be kind of some better plants because I've heard of this place called Kroger. There's no Krogers near me anywhere, so. But yeah, I'm happy with these plants. I think that this Dieffenbachia was a good price, but I'm not sure about this one because I don't know how much they cost at a nursery or anything. Yeah, and that's it for today's video. So, thank you guys for watching. Don't forget to subscribe and like the video if you enjoyed it. And I'll see you tomorrow. Bye!